Something else, I know we've talked about this in the last at least one, if not two, Tech Insider updates, but some developments in the customer insights world. It continues to grow in terms of the data sources that you can connect to. And one of the things that we've been working on is refining that ability to hone in on what is considered a customer touch. So we have used customer insights as the customer data platform to pull together Exchange, Teams, and Dynamics data, but you could connect this to really any other data source that identifies your customers. So if you're on BC or an ERP platform, if you're keeping your customers in an Excel spreadsheet, shame on you, but I know it happens. This allows us to tie all of those systems together and then go and gather our data around Exchange and Teams. So think of like phone calls, and if you're adding guests to your tenant for conversations, we're able to come back with both individual or customer measures and business measures that tie these little tile cards together. And then because it's customer insights, you can use these tiles and embed them into your Power Apps, Dynamics, and other tenant connected sources or platforms. So very cool, something that we have and are ready to put out for an offering and available as a co-sell with Microsoft. But if you are interested in learning more about it, please hit us up and we'd be more than happy to talk through how you guys could leverage customer insights.